So my name's Petreccione. I teach over here at Curtis Middle School, and I teach STEM and engineering. Out of the 15 sectors, machining falls under manufacturing and product development. So machining is a great career field for the kids to get into right now because it's a booming industry. Right now in San Bernardino, there's a huge demand for machining careers, and a lot of these jobs and career places that we've been talking to are looking for these students, and they just they can't place these students anywhere without the technical skills, and so this is a really good pathway for them. So our students are learning SolidWorks here, which is a CAD software. It's used as an industry standard for designing on computers, 3D objects, 3D designs, product designs. They'll take that and use it with the 3D printers, our bench mills. They'll be able to manufacture a lot with that, but they're learning something that isn't designed for just student use, it's designed for industry use. So at Curtis, we have over 15 business partners, including Garner Holt, which is the leading manufacturer for animatronics, technical employment training. We work with the County of Riverside, County of San Bernardino, the Workforce Development Board, Loma Linda University. We worked with all these businesses to find out what's really current within their industry and how we can start preparing our students now for that workforce. I feel it's really important for students to work hands-on, because that's where learning is. Learning isn't just, I can hear it and then I'm able to do it, but by actually practicing those skills, practicing the application of those skills through hands-on activities really becomes a benefit in their future. My goal for students within this class is to not have every single kid be an engineer. However, my goal is to prepare students for college and career with these soft skills, these skills of communication, collaboration, critical thinking, creativity, leadership, accountability, getting along with others that they might not get along with, and how to work with those people, because that's what they're going to encounter in the workplace.